chilling, man. We out here. 3F, 3D.
The man's looking like stuff. I just took 100,000. I'm on the plane, about to head out to St. Louis.
Right.
You know how we do, man.
Right.
What time is it?
I still got the up north time. It's too glittery though. Can't even see on there.
As you can see, ice and continents of ice in Africa.
Man.
It's like, 8 o'clock at night.
Right.
You little motherfucker.
Glittery. Real early though. Niggas are sipping, we chilling. Dudes is fucking up with the curtain and shit. Supposed to be back. I don't know
Hit
what's
this
going
casino
on.
up.
Right.
I'm gonna hit all the fucking casinos up in the United States.
Right.
I just left Foxwoods, Atlantic City, Hard Rock in Miami. I'm on my way to St. Louis and fuck with these casino boats, you know what I'm saying? Go spend some of this bread, you know what I mean?
Right.
I only brought like about 8,500 with me though.
It's cool.
But it's cool, it's all good.